Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for Social Science for Standard 8, Chapter number 5, Revolutionaries of India. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. Firstly, we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, who initiated revolutionary movements in India? It's option number C, Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Second, who was the first one to burn foreign clothes in India? It's option number D, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Third one, who wrote the book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle? It's option number B, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Fourth one, who used to upset boats carrying salt? It's option number B, Khudiram Bose. Fifth one, whose patriotic poems inspired patriotic fervor among Indians? It's option number C, Ram Prasad Bismil's. Sixth one, which revolutionary set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity? It's option number B, Ashfaqullah Khan. Seventh, which of the following revolutionaries was an expert in horse riding and shooting? It's option number D, Ashfaqullah Khan. Eighth, which revolutionary had taken a vow saying, I will never be caught alive by British authority? It's option number C, Chandrasekhar Azad. Ninth one, who established an organization named Mitra Mela? It's option number A, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. 10th, who prevented an attack on Arya Samaj temple? It's option number D, Ashfaqullah Khan. 11th one, who from the following revolutionaries threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi? It's option number B, Bhagat Singh. 12th, which national leader's death did Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru avenge by assassinating British officer Saunders, for which they were hanged? It's option number C, Lala Lajpat Roy's. 13th, who was the pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad? It's option number D, Shyamji Krishna Varma. 14th, who played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society in London? It's option number D, Shyamji Krishna Varma. 15th, which revolutionary assassinated William Wiley near Trafalgar Square in London? It's option number B, Madan Lal Dhingra. 16th, who unfurled the Indian tricolour in a foreign country? It's option number B, Madam Kama. Now we'll continue with the fill in the blanks. Question number 2. First one, Vasudev Balwant Phadke initiated revolutionary activities in India and became the first martyr. Second, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, that is Veer Savarkar, was born at Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Third, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar established an organization named Mitra Mela, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. Fourth, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was the first one to set fire to foreign clothes in India. Fifth, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar wrote the history of the first freedom struggle of 1857. Sixth, Khudiram Bose was born at Habibpur village of Mednipur district in Bengal. Seventh one, Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan were born at Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. 8th, Ashfaqullah Khan set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity. 9th, Chandrasekhar Azad's real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. 10th, on 8th April 1928, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi. 11th, Shyamji Krishna Varma was the pioneer of revolutionary movements abroad. 12th, Shyamji Krishna Varma was born in Mandvi village of Kutch. 13th, Shyamji Krishna Varma established the Indian Home Rule Society in London on 18th February 1905. 14th, the office of the Indian Home Rule Society was in his house, which was named India House. 15th, to propagate the Indian Home Rule Society, Shyamji Krishna Varma started a magazine titled Indian Sociologist. Now we'll continue with question number 3, true or false. First one, Vasudev Balwant Phadke fostered revolutionary ideas right from childhood. It is false. Second, Khudiram Bose wrote a book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. It is false. Third, Ashfaqullah Khan's patriotic poems fueled the flame of nationalism. It is false. Fourth, Chandrasekhar Azad was a childhood friend of Ram Prasad Bismil. It is false. Fifth, Chandrasekhar Azad became a martyr at Alfred Park in Allahabad. It is true. Sixth, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi and escaped. It is false. 7th, Shyamji Krishna Verma started a scholarship for Indian students. It is true. 8th, Madam Kama had stayed in London from 1902 to 1907 CE. It is true. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, 4th October 1857. Its answer is option number 5, Shyamji Krishna Verma. Second, 24th September 1861. It's option number 7, Madam Kama. Third, 28th May 1883. It's option number 1, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Fourth, 3rd December 1889. It's option number 6, Khudiram Bose. Fifth, 23rd July 1906. It's option number 2, Chandrasekhar Azad. Sixth, 28th September 1907. It's option number 3, Bhagat Singh. Now we'll continue with question number 5, identify me. First one, I used to topple boats carrying salt. It's Khudiram Bose. Second, I established an institution, Mitra Mela. It's Veer Savarkar. Third, I prevented the attack on Arya Samaj temple. It's Ashfaqullah Khan. Fourth, it's my vow that I will never be caught alive. It's Chandrasekhar Azad. Fifth, I established the Indian Home Rule Society. It's Shyamji Krishna Verma. Now we'll continue with question number 6. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, who initiated revolutionary movements in India? Its answer is Vasudev Balwant Phadke initiated revolutionary movements in India. Second, which vow did Vasudev Phadke take? Vasudev Phadke took a vow of not applying tilak on his forehead and not to cut his hair till he did not free India from the clutches of the Britishers. Third one, which secret group did Vasudev Phadke form? What were these young men trained to do? Vasudev Phadke formed a secret armed group of revolutionaries called Ramoshi to fight against the British. Fourth one, when and where was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar born? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was born on 28th May 1883 in Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Fifth one, who was the first person to burn the foreign clothes in India? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was the first person to burn foreign clothes in India. Sixth one, which book did Veer Savarkar write? Veer Savarkar wrote a book titled 1857, India's First Freedom Struggle. Seventh, when and where was Khudiram Bose born? Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in village Habibpur of the Midnapur district in Bengal. Eighth one, who inspired Khudiram Bose to be a revolutionary? Satyendra Babu, the teacher of Khudiram Bose, inspired him to be a revolutionary. Ninth one, when and where was Ram Prasad Bismil born? Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur in the United Province, that is Uttar Pradesh, in 1897 CE. Tenth one, which revolutionary set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity? Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil had set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity. 11th one, what was Chandrasekhar Azad's real name? Chandrasekhar Azad's real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. 12th one, when and where was Chandrasekhar Azad born? Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhavra village of Alirajpur district in Madhya Pradesh. 13th one, how did Chandrasekhar get the name of Azad, or how did Chandrasekhar become popular as Azad? Chandrasekhar was arrested and presented before the court for participating in the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. When the judge asked him his name, he gave his name as Azad. From then onwards, Chandrasekhar has been known by the name of Azad. 14th one, what vow had Chandrasekhar Azad taken? Chandrasekhar Azad had taken a vow to not to caught alive by the British authority. 15th one, when and where was Veer Bhagat Singh born? Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village of Lalpur district in Punjab. 16th one, who threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi? Why? Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi to draw the attention of the British government. 17th one, which three revolutionaries and fast friends were hanged on the same day? Why? Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru were hanged on the same day because they killed the British officer Saunders to avenge the murder of Lala Lajpat Rai. 18th one, who pioneered revolutionary movements for India in England. Shyamji Krishna Varma pioneered revolutionary movements for India in England. 19th one, which revolutionaries helped Shyamji Krishna Varma to carry out revolutionary activities. Vinayak Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Madanlal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana, Madam Kama, etc. helped Shyamji Krishna Varma to carry out revolutionary activities. 20th one, when and where was Madam Kama born? Madam Kama was born on 24th September 1861 in Mumbai. 21st, who unfurled the Indian tricolour at a conference being held at Stuttgart in Germany when? So its answer is Madame Kama unfurled the Indian tricolour at a conference being held at Stuttgart in Germany in 1907 CE. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is give historical reasons for the following sentences. First one is the British government sent Veer Savarkar to the cellular jail at Andaman. So the answer is Veer Savarkar was arrested in 1910 for his association with the revolutionary group India House. Savarkar was sentenced to 2 life terms of imprisonment, that is of 50 years, and was moved to the cellular jail in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It was also known as Kalapani. Second one, Khudiram Bose was hanged. On 30th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on the horse carriage of Judge Kingsford to kill him. Judge Kingsford survived the attack, but the wife and daughter of lawyer Kennedy died in this attack, so Khudiram Bose was hanged. Third one, Madanlal Dhingra was hanged. In 1909 CE, Madanlal Dhingra shot dead Sir William Wiley near Trafalgar Square in London, for which he was hung to death. Now we'll continue with question number 8, that is write a short note or give a brief introduction of. And the first point is Veer Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village of Lyalpur district of Punjab. He studied European revolutionary movements and was attracted to anarchist and Marxist ideologists. He became involved in numerous revolutionary organizations and quickly rose through the ranks of the Hindustan Republican Association to become one of its main leaders. He came in contact with Sukhdev, Bhagwat Charan and Yashpal while he studied at Lahore National College. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. Now the second point, Shyamji Krishna Varma. Shyamji Krishna Varma was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of Kutch. He was the pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad. He graduated from the Oxford University. He played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society in London on 18 February 1905. Its office was in his house and it was given the name India House. For the propagation of his institution, he started a magazine entitled Indian Sociologist. He arranged scholarships for Indians. In 1909 CE, Madanlal Dhingra shot dead Sir William Wiley near Trafalgar Square in London, for which he was hung to death. He died in 1930 CE. And here we come to the end of chapter number 5, Revolutionaries of India. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.